Hi guys, today I want to sharing with you my latest Nerf gun. My Nerf gun is orange and it's pistol, real pistol. Okay. This put the bullets. Okay, and it's good. I got this. The guns, okay. This my one, orange and blue and white and little bit white. Okay, so same one. Okay, this my one, and I buy those dollars. Okay, and it's good. You must buy. Okay. This my one and my brother one. So my one. Okay. It's same color, yellow, black, and blue and orange. Okay, it's loud and clear. Okay. And the last one is the pistol. Okay. My mother bought for me. Okay. And this is good. Okay. Okay, bye. I hope you enjoy the show. Okay, bye.